So guys, ito ang Realme Book. So this is the first ever laptop na ginawa ni Realme. And thanks to Realme nga pala for sending me this laptop for me to try here on my channel. And excited ako to see kung gaano kaganda itong Realme Book. Okay? So tara, siya natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Psychic and welcome back to my channel. So hawak natin here sa aking table is the Realme Book. So it's a very simple na packaging niya from Realme and nandito lahat ng specs sa likod. So this model is the MNB1002. Okay, so color niya is gray, Intel Core i5, okay, together with Intel Iris Xe graphics. So 8 gigs of RAM, 512 of SSD storage, and ang weight niya is around 1.36 kilogram. Okay? Then of course, may isang charging cable siya, power adapter, and may user manual. Okay, so NTC approved na siya. So buksan natin, Yan. So like any laptop, naka-seal siya with a protective plastic bagong buksan para to make sure walang scratches siya, So, out of the box kita natin, it's a gray color with the Realme logo na naka-print dito in chrome color. Okay. Really nice. So, pretty thin, masasabi ko sa inyo. And kita natin on the right side, meron siyang dalawang USB Type-C port. And dito na rin siya nag-charge, And at the back, wala, malinis. And on the other side, it's very minimalistic, Isang USB and isang audio jack, then nothing else. Up front, definitely wala. Pag may lang dito, opening. So, pagbukas natin, kita natin, here. Ganito, malaki ang trackpad, which is very generous. Yan ang unang napansin ko, out of this one. So, isang kamay lang, kayang buhatin. It's really light, 1.3 kilograms lang. So, ito ang keyboard layout niya. Okay. Very layout niya halos parang Mac, Then, of course, may fingerprint scanner siya dito. Okay. Power button / fingerprint scanner. Ang kanyang power button. So, okay. So, quiet ang niya, keyboard. Hindi siya maingay. Okay. So, kita natin ang Realme logos over here. And ito ang kanyang screen. And of course, meron siyang webcam. Okay. So, madalang na ngayon ng mga laptop na walang webcam kasi very prominent na ngayon ang online learning. Now, booting up. Okay. So, pindutin na natin ang power button. So, kita natin pag boot up, Realme. Okay. So, makita natin next is probably ang Windows. So, since na-enroll ko na ang aking fingerprint, all I need to do is just hold and pasok na siya sa Windows. So, what I did with this one is nilagay ko siya sa pina-optimize ko siya. And definitely, ang battery niya right now is not to the best performance kasi mabilis ma-drain. Now, i-brighten up lang natin kunti para makita natin gaano ka-bright ang kaya nito. Okay. Ayan. So, right now, nilagyan natin sa max brightness para makita natin ang ganda ng screen niya. So, I can say that yung screen niya is very bright. Okay, out of the box. Definitely something na gusto natin gamitin. So, I was able to run a lot of videos over here, watching some videos, watching, of course, doing some of my work here, Excel, doing some Zoom meetings. And masasabi ko sa inyo guys, it's really nice. And ang first impression ko talaga dito sa kanya is very light. Yan ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa Realme Book, Other than yung, so yung aesthetics niya is quite good. And probably what I miss is yung mga Intel stickers over here, Sanay ako may mga Intel stickers na nakadikit dito, Siya is very simple, very plain, nothing. So, there are times na baka pagkamala mo na baka luma to, second hand, kaya tinanggal yung mga stickers dito. Pero no, out of the box, wala nga talaga siyang stickers, no? Walang Intel i5, wala rin kung anong graphics siya, no? Wala, no nothing. Okay? So, take a quick look sa ilalim. Andito yung hinahanap nating sticker, no? So, Intel Core i5, yung Microsoft Windows stickers, and yung Intel Iris na graphics stickers. Lahat na sa ilalim. So, nandito rin ang kanyang vent, no? Init. Dito lumalabas ang init. So, right now, let's just try to run some, nag-try ako mag-Zoom, no? And was able to enjoy, was able to do some presentations sa Zoom. And definitely, sabi nila sa akin, uy, maganda ang webcam niya. That's the first thing na na-notice nila, no? Uy, malinaw yung webcam mo. Anong phone gamit mo? Sabi ko, hindi ko gamit phone. I'm using the Realme Book. And so, na-impress na, bago yun na. Bago ni Realme. So, syempre naman. It's really nice and was able to showcase it sa mga friends ko. So, yeah. And inside the box nga pala, we have C2C cable, a charging brick, and a user manual. So yan guys, nakita natin na it's so easy to to use this laptop and browsing. Okay, so nandito tayo browsing the Realme Facebook community page. It's really nice, no? Mga squads is really very active here. So I was able to check the community here, do some of my posting over there. And yeah, there's a lot of fans, no? Very active mga friends natin dito, no? Sa Realme community. Browsing the Facebook is really fun, no? Using the Realme Book. And I can say na, uy, okay talagang swabe, no? Ang Realme Book. And there are some other tech bloggers din na nakapag-feature na rin ng Realme Book. And they are all very excited, no? With this one. It's really nice. Masasabi ko sa inyo, guys, na when you're playing with this one, definitely mag-enjoy kayo, no? So, watching movies, watching videos, doing your Zoom meetings, typing on Microsoft Excel. Siguro ang kulang na lang dito is numpad kasi I heavily rely a lot on the numpad, no? So, let's watch a quick video.
Ang bawat tasa mo ng Nescafe, tulong sa pagbangon at pagsulong nila.
PayMaya Payday Save. Save on Meralco and Spotify Premium this October with PayMaya.
Okay, so yeah, kita natin, we're watching some 4K videos here using the Realme Book. And sabi ko sa inyo, it's really nice. And yung sounds niya, no, is very loud. Nilagay natin sa maximum, no, and was able to enjoy. But of course, syempre, there are times na, syempre, gusto nyo mas immersive ang yung experience. And meron naman siya audio jack. So you can always plug in your audio jack, your favorite headphones, no, to be able to enjoy here on this laptop. When you're doing your Zoom meetings, suggest ko guys, you can also mount your headphones with your microphone. But of course, kung wala naman kayo, it's okay. Andiyan naman yung mic dito, no, na sa tabi ng webcam. Now, it's really nice. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to carry around. I highly suggest bili ka lang kayo ng pouch. And yun lang, bili lang kayo ng pouch or sleeve para dito sa laptop na to, no? And you're ready to go to, of course, explore and bring this one to your meetings, bring this one to your school, and of course, wherever you go. It's very easy, very light. And I highly recommend this one, no, guys, for those who are into a lot of traveling, no? So, ang importante when you travel, very light na laptop ang kailangan natin. And this one, the Realme Book, does the job pretty well. And of course, masabi ko sa inyo, ang kanyang keyboard is very nice, easy to use. Especially, pinaka-favorite ko talaga is ang kanyang very, very generous na trackpad. Ayun guys, so I was able to give you a very specific na unboxing here with the Realme Book. And of course, I hope you do enjoy watching this video. And guys, if you want to know where you can buy this one, the Realme Book, I'll put it on the description box below no, para makita niyo kung saan nyo pwede bilhin. Especially dito sa official site ng Realme. I'll be putting everything on the description box below. So if you have some comments, may tanong kayo tungkol sa laptop na ito, you can hit me up on the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. So pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!